Right, how are we doing, guys? Turbo Tim here. Okay, so I've been completely fogged off this morning. Where are we? Where's it? Hold that round the right way. Yeah, so completely fogged off this morning. Cornwall's about 6 miles that way, and absolutely, I mean, it's foggy out here. Don't know whether you guys can see that on the road there. Let me just show you. So yeah, if you just look out towards the road, it's foggy there, but the further down that way you go, the worse it gets. So I've given up doing what I was going to do today. Stay there, guys. Yeah, so I've given up on what I was going to do today. Where I was going to go is completely flooded, so that put pay to that. But anyway, that's the course has changed a little bit because my tree's fallen down. So yeah, so my tree's fallen down here, which is the one I used to fly under. So we'll have to fly over it now. What's the puddle of doom going to be like? Oh, the puddle of doom is of doom. Yeah, some wispy branches just by that. It's really scary. So let's fly towards us. Am I stood in front of the camera now? Should really wait for satellite, shouldn't I? Whoa, in we go. Keep it smooth, keep it smooth. Top half of that tree. Yeah, so anyway, completely rained off. So I'm just gonna have a quick flight around the forest. And make my way home. There's not a lot I can do today, so it's the camera. There's one. Whoa, mind me. Got battery 67%. Nice low pass at the camera. Can't see the camera. Oh, it's on in again. Don't move, Timmy, don't move. Stinking cold for the last few days. Over it now, but oh my god, proper man flu. Yeah, proper man flu. So anyway, things to come on the channel. We've got a trip to Cardiff next month. And that's really all I've got planned at the minute. There'll be a few changes, few more drone. If I can get the weather, this is the problem. Working all week, trying to get out on my one day off. Getting the weather right. So whoa. I swear that went in front of me, it looked like it went behind me. Yeah, so anyway, it's I want to do a few more adventures away, but what with being ill this weekend, and again the weather's caught up with me, so ended up back home before I knew it. I'm a bit far down here, aren't I? Didn't think I was going to make that one. So yeah, it's all gone a bit on me, you know, so do a bit of planning for next week, I think. Trouble is, down in Devon and Cornwall, nothing opens till 10 o'clock. So if you want to do something, you know, go somewhere like a steam railway or something like that, you've got to wait until 10 o'clock. And that's half the day gone for me. I'm usually packing up and heading home at that sort of time, so yeah, so I need to have a plan, guys. If you guys have got any suggestions for me to go and have a look at, feel free to put that in the comments. Right, what do we got down 30% battery life. I'm surprised I'm not dinging yet. I'm going to have to come in because I've got no... I've got no satellite, so... Just stood in a... Just as I went to land that, I stood back in a soft bit. Yeah, so I'll add some music to this and make it sound a bit more exciting, but that's it for this week, guys. Rained off, well, not rained off, but fogged off again, so absolutely, you can't see a thing down in Cornwall. It's like 10 foot in front of you in the car. It's unreal. There was another forest I found down in Cornwall, which I think we could nip to maybe next time if we're going that way. We will call in there if we're down that way again. I've had a walk round it today, but it wasn't worth flying because of the amount of fog. It was just too bad. I mean, it's dark enough in here, but it was absolutely... Had a bit more open space as well, where they've already cut stuff down. I believe they're cutting stuff down a bit further down that way, so I've got another battery in my pocket. We might nip down that way, but anyway, let's call it a day for now, unless I've already cut this and gone down that way and found something else. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry about the short video, but you know, we've got to do what we can do. So that I'm gonna have to give up work and do YouTube full time. So I'll catch you guys next time. Ciao for now.